Hi everybody, guys. Today I'm gonna make this video on how to change or clean the intake air filters for Mercedes C400 2015 W205. So I'll just go ahead and walk you around the car and let you see. This is the exterior. I had this car for a little bit over a year, and today the first time I make this video. So any suggestions, just go ahead and comment below. Alright, again, this is 2015 Mercedes C400. I'll show you how to replace the intake air filters. All right, so first you need to remove this cover. So you do is just go ahead and pop this one off, remove it. All right, you pull it up this way. All right, then you're gonna remove this one right here, take this out, then remove the cover. All right, let me set this one down for a minute. All right, so this is the intake air filters, and then there's another one. So in order to remove it, you gotta remove these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then also another one right here. All right, so I'll go ahead and set this camera down and I'll show you how to do it. All right there. Give me a second. All right there. All right, so I'm using right there. I'm using number T25. Let's see, you can see it. All right, T tort. I could see it on. It's better. You can see it right there. T25 tort. All right. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and remove this right here. Remove this one. Alright, so lift it up like that. Alright, there's the electrical connection right here. All you do is just lift it up like that. Alright, and then move it outside like that. Okay, this is the air filters. It's gonna save you a lot of money if you can do it by yourself. This is the air filter. You see that how a little bit dirty right there? So just for now today, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it first, and then next time, probably in a few thousand miles, then I'll go ahead and replace new. So let me walk out over there and clean it out. And see it right there. Right there. See that? So you see there's some leaves, dirt around here. Also closer right here, just as you can see. I don't know if you can see that right here. All right, let me take you closer. Right there. All right, so I will go ahead and get the air and the vacuum and go suck it out, clean it before I put it back. All right guys, give me a second. All right, I need to step out and clean this filter first. Alright, there you go. So after I clean it, it looks way better. See that? Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a vacuum. I'm gonna go vacuum the dirt and leaves right here before I put it back. There you go. Alright, so that's it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back the same way, just reverse the direction. Put this one right here. Alright, there you go. Just make sure it sits properly, you know, like it properly seated, you know, here. Right there. Alright. Then go ahead and put the cover back. Right there. And then screw it in. It's gonna be like 5 minutes job just to make sure you save you a whole lot of money. Alright, just don't forget, just put this one back the way right here. See that? Just let me show you. Okay, move the camera closer. Here. Just right here that. You just want to make sure put it in, push it in until snap. There you go. Right there. Alright. That's it. So you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So I'll go ahead and move the other one a little bit so you can see on the other side how I do it. Move the other side a little bit. Right there, okay? Give me a second. Right there. Same thing on this side. Move this. Don't forget this one, same thing. Remove this one here. Alright. Then lift it up. And then move it out of the way. Alright, there you go. Right there. Then lift this filter up. See that you can see it. Let me get a bit closer right here. Right there. Alright, it's better view. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. See that? You see the leaves right there? That's what you're gonna see right there. See that? Remove this, take the leaf, and then I'm going to use a vacuum and I'll go ahead and vacuum that and clean the filters. Alright guys, so when you put it back, you're going to do the reverse direction, same thing, just go put it back. Alright, so anyway, that's it for today, and hopefully you save you some money when you're trying to do it by yourself. So I'll go ahead and walk you a little bit on the interior for you can see how the car looks like. I have right there, I have 19-inch rims, and it's about 225, 40, right there. See that? 19. And then have the rear one a little bit larger size. That's gonna be 235, 255, 3519. See that? Oh. Alright, this is the interior. Not really, it's a little bit dark. You can see right there. Alright, you can see from right there. Alright. Okay. This is the front, the driver's side. Right there. Okay. See that? Right there. Now this one I only have about 12,000 miles, I believe. Right there. See that? I drove it for 12,400 miles in a year and a half. So this is my first video. Alright, so the next video I'm gonna make, I'm gonna show you guys how to change the air conditioner air filters and the cabin air filters. Alright, so follow with me. Any questions, comments below. Thanks. Alright, again. Right there, see that? Alright, thank you for watching. Thanks.